How to transfer mobile data to PC or laptop or PC to laptop. As you can see, I have connected my mobile phone here, okay, on the computer, and if I want to send directly anything from PC, I simply come here and I will choose any picture and I will send to my phone, and you will see here my phone will receive this image here. Now if I want to send from mobile phone, gallery, as you can see, if I want to send this picture and if I click done, and you will see I can download here on my phone. So how you can do it, this is very simple to do. You can also share your mobile phone screen, but the fact is this will work only with Samsung mobile phones. So what you have to do is simply go to your mobile phone, okay, and search for Samsung Flow. You need to download this Samsung Flow app in your mobile phone, and also you can go to your PC's Microsoft Store and download simply Samsung Flow app with your computer, and you can use it easily with the, because I already have downloaded this application. So I have open and I'm using already. So as you can see here, it is showing everything when I use on my phone. So if you want to know that how to use this application and how to connect, I have given link in description for another video that I have shown proper way how you can connect this Samsung Flow to your computer or laptop. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.